Hello YouTube and welcome to Demarco Reacts to Crypto. So in today's video we're going to speak about Nucypher TA, but now you think I'm going to do it a little different to what you usually see on the internet, because obviously I've seen something in the charts, in the graphs of Nucypher, and it matches to an extent with a bit of distortion, but we'll get to it now. I'm not going to piss around, pissing about, talking shit. We'll just get to it. So as you can see on this chart here, keep an eye on the left or the bottom at that peak, and then the peak on the right where it says 80p. Keep an eye on them two peaks, and then I'm going to go over to the next video now and show you a little part that I've seen that is the same on both sides but with a little distortion. Let's go. So guys, as you can see, the first peak was in the 5th of December 2020. Then you've got the two mountains, which the first mountain was on the 13th of December. The second mountain was the 21st of December. Then you've got the M shape, which was, I'll go off the middle of the M, which was January the 9th. And then you've got the long leg with a foot, which the start of that was around the January the 17th, and it ended on the January the 25th. And then all of a sudden, around January 30th, 2021, we seen the rocket and it just blew up. So now we're going to the next video and I'll show you that now. So now this graph, you can see that the peak at 80p was February the 21st, 2021. Then you got the first mountain, which is February 25th, the second mountain, which is February 28th-ish. The middle of the M is March the 4th, and then the long leg with the foot, which starts around March the 7th and just ended literally, or still in the middle of it today, which is March the 14th. So we've got a potential rocket maybe within the next, 7 to 14 days maybe. Maybe I worked it out, probably March the 23rd. So hopefully it does work out like that. It does seem a bit weird that I've said it like this, but when you do TA, you've got to do it properly and look at the charts properly. You can't just go off other stuff. I'm just looking at the charts and what the movements are like. So if you found that interesting, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and and that's my TA, and share it around the world for everyone to see. Nucypher to the moon. Let's go.